Hi friends, let's check the recruitment for CA, CS, ICMA at NABARD. Before applying, candidate should read all instructions provided to him, and candidate needs to apply at www.nabard.org. In case of any help, cgrs.ibps.in. Important dates or timelines is online for online application and registration, and the payment of the online fees is 7th August to 23rd August 2020. No other mode of submission is allowed. Only application will be accepted by the NABARD. Number of vacancies and the reservation which are related to CA, CS and the ICMA or additional cyber security on additional cyber security manager, additional chief risk manager and the risk managers. Total number of vacancies are 7 vacancies for the 3 posts. For the cyber security, there is 1 vacancy, and the chief risk manager 2 vacancies, and for the risk manager 4 vacancies are there. All the posts are open. 2 posts of risk managers reserved for OBC candidates. Eligibility criteria is maximum age limit is 62 years, and the educational qualifications and the work experience for the Now let's check your CA, CS, ICMA job profiles and the qualifications required for it. Additional cyber security manager CISA course. If the person having the CISA course can apply for it. Minimum experience of the 5 years, and the graduates 3 years, and the 5 years for the graduate and the 3 years for the postgraduate. Experience in the cyber security and the risk management have to be there. And for the additional chief risk manager, graduate or postgraduate, masters in the management, MBA or PGDI or CA or CS, chartered accountant or company secretary can apply for this course. Candidate having the following qualifications will be preferred: certification in the risk management or CFA, degree in statistics. Experience, the minimum 10 years experience in the banking, financial sectors and the insurance, BFSI, minimum 3 years in the senior risk management level in the risk management. Following also will be add an extra advantage: chief risk officer, etc. Awareness of the risk concepts, job profile, integrated risk framework, benchmarking of appraisal processes. For the risk manager, qualifications is Risk Managers International Association, CA, CFA, ICWA, ACS, CAIIB or equivalent educational qualification. Experience is minimum 5 years in the following areas: credit risk or market risk, operational risk, experience working with the statistical models, formulating risk rating modules, working with in the risk management software implementation in the banking or financial sector and insurance, BFSI. Job profile is credit risk, market risk, etc. Development of the risk metrics rating models, appraisal of the risk-based lending, assessment of the credit proposals, development of the risk metrics, appraisal of the risk-based lending under various strategies, development of the risk matrix rating models, assessment of the credit proposals and undertaking portfolio analysis. Tenure of the period of the contract is 3 years from the date of the appointment and extendable for 2 more years. The performance of the candidate is well and good. Amount given to the candidates will be, for the name of post, for the related post is cyber security manager is 2.5 lakhs per month, and the chief risk manager is 3 lakhs per month, and the risk managers are 2.5 lakhs per month. Check it out. These 3 posts are high salary. Residential accommodation also will be given to the candidate. NABARD headquarters at Gorakhpur or Kandivali, subject to the availability. HRA also given. HRA details will, as mentioned below. Let's check it out. HRA details. For cyber security manager, 0.25 lakhs, and for chief risk manager, 0.3 lakhs. For risk managers, 0.25 lakh per month. Traveling and halting allowance, leave, etc. all given here. An application fee as an intimation fee for SC, ST and PWBD 50 rupees, and for all others 800 rupees for application fee. Selection process is the candidates who will be shortlisted interview in the ratio of 1:10 on the basis of qualification, experience, etc. The shortlisted candidates interview and the subsequent selection shall be published on the bank's website. The final appointment will be based on the decision of the selection committee constituted for the purpose. Other instructions, check it out. The shortlisted candidates shall be issued an interview call letter through an email in advance before the commencement of the interview. That is, before commencement of the interview, the shortlisted candidates will receive the call letter through mail. Important dates, once again check it. Online application registration and the payment of the online fees is 7th August 2022, 23rd August 2020. Date of notification is 7th August 2020. In case of corrigendum issue on the above advertisement and further announcement,